What's going on with Bitcoin? Sitting at 22,000 the time we're making this. What you see down at the bottom of the screen, Ethereum is up. BNB is up. Solana is up. XRP is up. Bitcoin Cash is up. XMR is up. Okay. So we looking like the Fed might have helped us out a little bit, you know, because, 2 o'clock, that's when the Fed started doing this thing. Start doing this up and down thing, going back and up and down. But apparently we started going on up towards the top. So now let's take it to the daily blessing. Okay, we're gonna start putting these daily blessings up out of here too. Okay, God says, I didn't bring you this far to watch you fail. Keep going. You've got this. And I got you covered. Okay. So just know that. Now, let's roll into the news. What's going on? You got Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin surges after the Feds did that thing. Old boy Jerome Powell, you know what I'm saying, was doing his thing. You know, back to the Bitcoin, Ethereum run up. Okay, now as you can see, Bitcoin for the last 24 hours went up 2%. Okay, and now in the last 7 days, it was down 25%. Ethereum about around the same, up 2.7. In the last 7 days, down 30%. Dogecoin, okay, in the last 24 hours, up 11.9%. Okay, in the last 7 days, only down 22%. Okay, so the price went up to 6 cents on the Dogecoin. I think it was a nice buy at 5. I seen down at 5. I think 5 might be the bottom. That's just my own personal thing. You know what I'm saying? I am not a financial advisor. I'm just here to let you know what's going on. Okay. But with that being said, let's go on back to the 24-hour gainers, baby. Okay. Then you got the BAT. You got E Gold, up 24%. And you got Helium up 22%. Okay. Now, cryptocurrency was all related to the sub compared to the other risks and the Federal Reserve. Okay, I told you the Fed raised the interest rates by 0.75% between 1.5 and 1.75 on Wednesday. Inflation is rough. Okay, inflation is hitting us up where it hurts. Okay, put it in the dirt. Mm, mm, mm. But let's go on to the other thing. Okay, other news was going on with the crypto. Okay, now you got the crypto market braces for a volatile week, because this is gonna definitely bring some volatility with my man's Jerome Powell talking about the feds. Okay, that man right there, yes sir. Okay, now he talked today or yesterday at the time recording this little late night, you know what I'm saying? Had a power outage, had to get up out of there. But this is back to the we talking about. Now the feds is set to hold an unscheduled meeting on Monday to discuss more interest rates. Okay? Now, bonds and interest rates has been going up and over again. Okay, the notices had a flurry of speculation of the crypto community about what the Fed is planning to do. Okay, we concerned. We are concerned citizens, you know what I'm saying, trying to figure out what is going on with the feds. You know what I'm saying? What they're going to do is they're going to regulate crypto. They're going to tax it to the max. What is they going to do? That's what we want to know. What investors want to know. Okay. That's what I definitely want to know. Okay. But now back to your Bitcoin price and what's going on with the coin. Bitcoin has definitely tried to make a little move up there and and get on down. But it's still, it hit up there at the max at 22.9, 22,000, almost close to 23,000 right up here at the top. And then start falling back down. Right now she at $22,095. It's changing. But this is a news update at the time of our recording this. let you know what's going on with Jerome Powell and the inflation and other things. And you know what I'm saying, I definitely forgot about another thing that makes this whole inflation and crypto and a lot of that stuff. uh, the war in Ukraine, the crisis in Ukraine is definitely impacting the crypto market. Okay. Okay. I'll tell you how. Okay. The downturn we've seen in the past few weeks has been a result of the Ukraine and Russia conflict. That's been one. Okay. Inflation has been another one that helped bring inflation even harder, but that is definitely a big factor on what's been going on in the world. Okay. Especially why crypto has been down. Okay, because this crisis has been brewing. Okay, I don't think it's gonna end no time soon. So this whole, Jerome Powell talking about inflation is gonna come back, and you know what I'm saying, and it's gonna be, very low by the end of next year. We're gonna break it down, and this, then the jobs, and this. I don't believe what fuck he talking about. Okay, I don't believe that shit. I don't believe it. I don't believe the war's gonna be in by the end of this year. I don't believe we're gonna get back to where we should be next year. Okay, we still got a lot of things, a lot of play. They ain't even talking about what's going on in the world as they should be. Okay, but we're gonna get on moving. It's my own personal thing. Get into this. Let's talk about the Feds. The Feds is calling an emergency meeting. I told y'all about the inflation. Okay, now this is what people got to say. The Fed is calling this emergency meeting. They are sweating bullets over the 7.5 CPI print and will likely move to raise rates before the next meeting. I believe they're gonna raise them again, even higher. Okay, because I believe we are falling down.